All I can do is remember that day, that fateful day, the day I got those hiccups. Oh, those hiccups, the terrible hiccups.
I have a job for you.
I think you'll like it.
It's time to get revenge on Mr. L.
Let's do it.
I've been expecting you.
The plan is set.
Soon I'll be taking over the world one hiccup at a time.
Research shows that Mr. L dwells within these woods. How did you talk me into this?
So you've decided to come.
The jig is up!
Would you like some fromage?
No, that cheese is no Gouda. You crazy! That's nacho cheese!
Punny. Your cheese jokes are very old.
I'm not afraid to shoot.
Oh, God. How could you shoot me after being my loyal henchman for so many years?
You treated me terribly. That's why.
No, stop. Morgan should have the honor after years of torture by him. No, I can't. But we can't just let him go.
Well, I just can't.
We won't. We'll put him in prison.
I don't think so. I'm not who you think I am.
And now, and forevermore, I have the hiccups. I'm so scared.
Tis rolling.
Slight. Scene 7, take 3. Action.
So you've decided to come.
The jig is up!
Would you like some fromage?
No, that cheese is no Gouda.
You're crazy. That's not your cheese.
Punny, your cheese jokes are so old.
I am not afraid to shoot.
No, I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, man, you guys gotta talk to your guy here. This is what I have to deal with every
I'm
day.
not happy about it, but this is the sacrifice I make for you.
Trey's gonna really shoot him if he doesn't get to eat soon.
Roll it.
Slight. Scene 5, take 1.
We have one last job for you, Morgan.
I think you'll like it.
Yes. It's time to get revenge on Mr. L.
Cut.
Oh, I was gonna go down, but that's fine. We can either cut there or like do the dramatic come down.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Just like
I was like,
staring
huh.
at each other.
Do you not respond at all to them?
Okay, camera's rolling.
Slight. I don't remember what it's called. Slight. Yeah.
Slight, sorry.
Scene 7, take 2.
So you decided to come.
The jig is up.
Would you like some fromage?
No, that cheese is no Gouda.
You're crazy. That's nacho cheese.
Punny, those cheese jokes are so old.
I'm not afraid to shoot.
How? Isn't it? I don't know what the next line is.
Yeah, well,
Who am I talking to when I say why would you shoot me?
Rolling.
slight.
Scene 7, take 4.
Action.
So you've decided to come.
The jig is up.
Crap.
No, it's cheese.
Crap. Rolling.
Slight.
Scene 7, take 5.
Action.
So you've decided to come.
The jig is up.
Would you like some fromage?
No, that cheese is no Gouda.
You're crazy. That's nacho cheese.
Punny. I'm sorry, I forgot all the lines.
I even remembered your lines.
It's just how you said it. You got me totally distracted. It's nacho cheese. I wasn't ready for that at all.
That's no Gouda. It's no Gouda.
Now I'm ready.
That's no Gouda.
Punny. Okay.
That is no Gouda.
Okay. I've got it this time, I promise.